Hi, welcome to Shanghai Finice Commodity Company Limited. As a supplier specializing in new types of laundry and household cleaning products, we provide OEM services for more than 300 brands, including more than 20 leading names around the world. Our main products include color and dirt catcher, laundry detergent strips, fragrance booster, fabric softener dryer sheets, floor cleaning sheets, and so on. After many years of development, we now have two production bases, Xisi in Shanghai and Joyson in Guangzhou. Both are leading the industry in terms of plant size, automation, and production capacity. Meanwhile, we attach great importance to R&D. We have 2 labs, 25 researchers, and until now, 26 patents that have been obtained or are pending approval. Joyson is one of the top 100 daily chemical enterprises in China, mainly engages in the production of new type solid chemical cleaning items. The factory has obtained a number of certifications, including ISO 9001, IFS, BSCI, and passed the professional inspection of many internationally famous customers. We believe that the greatest respect for our customers is to adhere to the quality commitment and constantly develop new and better products to help customers create new market opportunities. Welcome to contact us. Let's start pleasant cooperation.